making some dinner. It's going to be a burrito night. Taco Bell refried beans. Tomatoes. I've got cucumbers here. I'm gonna dice up right now. Then I've got the salsa, cucumber salsa, and then I've got pepperoncini too. That's just gonna be on the side. I've got my tomatoes and cucumbers ready, and now it's time to make the pizza. Not the pizza, the burrito. I was debating about having pizza, Domino's, but I decided to go with burritos. Okay, so the Rajma is ready. Those little specks that you see there, that's garlic. I use this, the minced garlic, and it, it's not ground, so it did not dissolve completely, a little bit to my surprise. But it's still good. I just tasted it. Tastes pretty good. When I take a spoonful of this, I don't taste the garlic. I just taste the curry. And I'm using what is it, 10-minute success, boil in a bag, brown rice. So I'm boiling that right now. I've got 2 bags ready to go. And I'm gonna have a little bit of Rajma Chawal right now. There we go. Here's my lunch.